Mihira, you've sprained your ankle. We'll use rice, rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Avoid weight bearing initially. Apply ice packs for 20 minutes every hour. Use an elastic bandage for compression, but not too tight. Elevate your foot above your heart. Over-the-counter pain relievers can help. If swelling increases, pain worsens, or you can't bear weight after a few days, return for a checkup.
So I rest my ankle, ice it often, wrap it gently, and keep it raised. I can take painkillers. If it gets worse, I should come back. Right.
Exactly. Remember, rice is crucial for initial healing. Avoid hot baths or showers as they can increase swelling. Mihira, if you have diabetes, circulatory problems, or reduced sensation, consult before direct ice application. I like to talk about the wonderful benefits of breastfeeding for both you and your baby. It's truly a special way to nourish your little one. Breast milk is perfectly designed to meet your baby's needs, providing all the essential nutrients in the right proportions for their growth and development. Beyond nutrition, it's also packed with antibodies that help protect your baby from infections and illnesses. This amazing process also strengthens the bond between you and your child through close physical contact, which promotes a deep sense of security and connection. I also want to address the pain that some mothers experience in the beginning. It's very common to feel discomfort in the early days, but please know that it's often temporary and can be managed. The key is to ensure a proper latch. Your baby's mouth should be wide open and take in not just the nipple, but a good portion of the areola as well. This ensures that the pressure is on the areola and not directly on the nipple, which is what often causes pain. You can also try different positions to find what works best for you both, such as the cradle hold, the football hold, or side lying. Lastly, try to practice some relaxation techniques before and during feeding. Taking a few deep breaths and finding a comfortable, supportive position can make a world of difference. Remember, if pain persists, we're here to help you find a solution and make this a comfortable experience for you.